Good morning or good afternoon, whenever you watch this. This video is for my parents and students of Ashley Elementary and whomever else decides to watch this. Thank you for using my video to help you. Now, when you as a student want to go into Canvas and join a WEBEX meeting, you go to Canvas. Then we're going to I got to get down to them. Okay. There we are. And then you're going to join your class that you want to join, which is just, this is going to be my class. Now we're going to go to student view so it looks like yours. Now we have it in your view. So now what we're going to do is go to media library, or actually we're going to go to WebEx right here, the Cisco WebEx. And as this uploads, you'll see that it says join. Now, it is very specific, the teachers who have this. If you're concerned about if your teacher has a join button, then please email your child's teacher or student. Please email your teachers. If they don't have a join button, there's one thing you cannot do. And I've had this come up a couple of times, so I want to help you. You cannot start a new meeting. You cannot. It is not a student use tool. You can only join a meeting. I'll say this one more time. You cannot start a new meeting as a parent or as a student. It may ask you for the username and password, but it will not matter. You will not have access to that. So all you will be able to do is click join, and then you will join that meeting. Now, mind you, your teachers have to let you in. Okay? If I have not started this library meeting, then your student cannot get in until I join or start my meeting first. There's a point where your child will be, if I'm sitting in my meeting waiting for my students to come in, they can click join and they will get in. But if they come in late or they get bounced out of the meeting, they can click join again, and then I have to admit them into the meeting. I hope this helps you all. If you need anything from me, I really love helping, and I love being of service to my staff and my students and my parents. If you need anything from me, please contact me. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.